Hello, thank you everyone for participating and for opportunity to speak. I don't have a presentation. I would like just to share a few thoughts of my work experience. Currently, I'm working at a startup that is focused on rebuilding of Ukraine after the war, and we understand that we should act already now. If we wait until the end of the war, it's too late. So we already start to think how we can do that. And our main idea is that the process should start not from the top to the bottom, but from the bottom to the top. That's why we work with local municipalities to help them establish projects and understand what they can do. And one of the ideas that we heard today, like Paul Thomas mentioned, that Ukraine might be a good place for sustainable sources. And that's why our partners, they have a project with Miscanthus. So we offer them to municipalities as well, because it can be used on marginal lands that are not, you know, that are not able to use for farming and growing food, but they are perfectly good for miscanthus. And it's good for the municipalities because they can earn the money, they can sell even carbon credits. So all this is connected, and it's available and possible thanks to the technology. So yeah, just my little comments on this topic. Thank you. If you have some questions or um, or additional points, please let me know. I would be happy to discuss these points.